Question 16. Adele grew 30 cabbages. She gave fertiliser to 15 of the cabbages. She did not give fertiliser to the other 15 cabbages. Here are the final weights in kilograms of the 15 cabbages Adele gave fertiliser to. Here is some information about the final weights in kilograms of the 15 cabbages Adele did not give fertiliser to. So we've got no fertiliser. Compare the distributions of the weights. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare by finding these values here, but for the fertiliser. So I'll have fertiliser here. So we've got 15 cabbages, so if we do 15 add 1, we get 16. If we want the median, that's going to be halfway, so 16 over 2, so we're looking at the 8th person. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so that's the median. So my median is 1.8. Lower quartile, it's going to be my 16 value here divided by 4, a quarter of the way, so that's the 4th person. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.6 for the lower quartile. Upper quartile is going to be 3 lots of my lower quartile, so 4 times 3 is 12. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 for my upper quartile. My smallest value, 1.5, and my largest value, 2.6. So what I'm also going to do underneath is I'm going to work out the interquartile range. So I'm just going to write the interquartile range is going to be the upper quartile take away the lower quartile. And so we've got 1.6 take away 1.2, which is going to be 0.4. And over here we've got 2 take away 1.6, which is 0.4. Compare the two distributions. So now I can compare these two numbers. So what we need to do is you need to compare the median and then the interquartile range. And you need to put it in context. So I would say that the evidence suggests the fertiliser works. As those with the fertiliser had a median of 1.8 compared to 1.4 without it. So that's comparing my median there. The fertiliser did not affect the spread of the data, as the interquartile range and the range remained the same for both. So if you wanted to check there, the range is the difference between the smallest and the largest. So you've got 1.1 here, and you've got 1.1 here as well.